How to build wealth from nothing. Building wealth from nothing may seem like an impossible task, but it is achievable with the right mindset, financial discipline, and strategic planning. Wealth is not just about having a high income, it's about managing money wisely, making smart investments, and creating multiple streams of income. Here's a step-by-step guide to building wealth from scratch. 1. Develop the right mindset. Wealth building starts with a strong mindset. Many successful people came from humble beginnings, but their belief in financial growth helped them succeed. Here's how to shape your mindset. 1. Adopt a growth mentality, learn continuously and adapt to financial challenges. 2. Stay disciplined, avoid unnecessary spending and stay committed to long-term goals. 3. Take responsibility. Your financial situation is in your hands, and you can change it with consistent effort. 4. Embrace risk. Wealth creation often involves stepping out of your comfort zone. 2. Set clear financial goals. Without a clear goal, building wealth becomes a vague concept. Set smart goals. 1. Specific. Decide exactly what you want, for example, save $10,000 in 1 year. 2. Measurable. Track progress regularly. 3. Achievable. Set realistic targets based on your income. 4. Relevant. Align goals with your financial needs. 5. Time-bound. Set deadlines to stay focused. 3. Create a budget and stick to it. A budget is a roadmap for your money. Follow these steps to create one. 1. Track expenses. Identify where your money goes. 2. Reduce unnecessary spending. Reduce eating out, subscriptions, and impulse purchases. 3. Follow the 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings/investments. 4. Use budgeting apps. Tools like Mint, YNAB, and Pocket Guard help track spending. 4. Increase your income when starting from zero. Earning more is crucial. Here are ways to increase your income. 1. Side hustles, freelancing, tutoring, ride-sharing, or selling products online. 2. Ask for a raise. Prove your value to your employer and negotiate a salary increase. 3. Invest in education. Acquiring new skills increases earning potential. 4. Start a business. Entrepreneurship provides unlimited income potential. 5. Passive income. Monetize a blog, invest in stocks, or create online courses. 5. Eliminate and avoid debt. Debt can prevent wealth accumulation. Follow these strategies. 1. Pay off high-interest debt first. Use the debt avalanche method, tackling highest interest first, or snowball method, paying smallest debts first for motivation. 2. Avoid unnecessary loans. Credit card debt and high-interest loans should be minimized. 3. Negotiate lower interest rates. Contact lenders to discuss better terms. 6. Save consistently. Even with a small income, saving is key. Here's how. 1. Start small. Even $5 a week adds up over time. 2. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account. 3. Use the pay yourself first rule. Treat savings like a mandatory expense. 4. Take advantage of employer contributions. Maximize contributions if your company offers 401k matching. 7. Invest wisely. Saving alone won't make you wealthy. Investing is crucial. 1. Stock market. Invest in index funds, ETFs, and dividend stocks. 2. Real estate. Buy rental properties for passive income. 3. Retirement accounts. Contribute to IRAs and 401ks for long-term growth. 4. Start early. The power of compound interest grows money exponentially over time. 8. Create multiple income streams. Having one source of income is risky. Build wealth faster by diversifying. 1. Investments, stocks, bonds, and real estate. 2. Business ventures. Start an online business or side hustle. 3. Freelancing or consulting. Use skills to generate extra income. 4. Passive income. Royalties from books, rental income, and dividend-paying stocks. 9. Be frugal but smart. Wealthy individuals don't waste money, they spend wisely. 1. Buy quality over quantity. Long-lasting items save money in the long run. 2. Negotiate prices. Always ask for discounts on big purchases. 3. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you earn more doesn't mean you should spend more. 4. Use coupons and cashback apps, save money on daily expenses. 10. Protect your wealth. Building wealth is one thing, keeping it is another. 1. Get insurance, health, life, and home insurance. Protect assets. 2. Have an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses in a separate savings account. 3. Create a will, protect your assets for future generations. 4. Be aware of scams, avoid get-rich-quick schemes. 11. Stay consistent and patient. Wealth building is a long journey that requires patience. Stay motivated by 1. Tracking progress, celebrate small wins. 2. Staying educated, read books and follow financial experts. 3. Networking, surround yourself with successful individuals. 4. Avoiding quick-rich schemes, real wealth takes time to build. Final thoughts. Building wealth from nothing is challenging but possible. It requires discipline, smart financial choices, and patience. Over time, you can achieve financial freedom by increasing your income, managing expenses wisely, investing consistently, and creating multiple income streams. Start today with small steps and stay committed to your financial goals. Embrace the journey, ignite your passions, and join us as we explore the extraordinary together. Please like the video and turn on notifications for future uploads. I do not provide personal or financial investment advice, and I am not a qualified licensed investment advisor. This video's educational purpose is only to give you the basic idea. If you need a personal or financial advisor, please seek help. Thank you.